welcome back with Chef Ricardo. Amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas. I love it. You know what I mean? Black Friday this weekend, guys. And I know you guys want to, set on yourself, what happened. Why not support Chef Ricardo? Yes. So give me support and thank you for your time. Leaving your comments. There's a 50% on the book on Amazon at the moment. Go on Amazon, look for the word Chef Ricardo, buy the book and tell a friend and a friend tell a friend. Thank you for your support. If you doesn't get the copy yet, it's there. You can go and buy your copy and support Chef Ricardo. It's just amazing, guys, to know that I got so many people been supporting me. You know what I mean? So many people been supporting, so many people been writing comments and they say keep up the good work. I want to big up every one of you guys. We love you. You know what I mean? We appreciate the time when you take, because time is important and time is the key for everything. You know what I mean? Nothing can be done before time. So thank you for your time and for your comments and for watching the video. And remember, Black Friday sale, there's a 50% on my cookbook. Why you don't get your copy? Why you don't tell a friend? Why you don't share the video? Share it. Tell them, drop it on your Instagram, your Facebook or your Twitter account or something and make someone else can see the video. Give me a like and subscribe to the channel. And I said, Instagram, Twitter and Facebook, you can follow me. My name is Chef Ricardo and I represent Jamaica and the world, and we ever give you a recipe every day. Every day we give recipe, every day tips, every day something new. One love from Chef Ricardo and the team, and stay tuned. Don't go anywhere. 50% on the book, Caribbean Cuisine Cooking Book. And the new one is coming very soon. Look forward.